Hi, so here's the Ray-ban glasses um, that I ordered online for half price. It's an Aviator glasses model RB20 RB3025. So I just wanted to check the authenticity of these particular glasses. Starting on the casing, you can see the logo right here, and everything looks like it's right on spot. I don't see any crookedness in the lettering. Uh, Sunglasses by Luxottica. Everything looks good so far. The leather casing also has the button right here. You can see the Ray-ban sign there. Doesn't look like it's um, it's etched correctly. Doesn't look like it's missed, anything like that. The casing lining looks good on the side, the stitching. So this is a good sign so far. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's nice feel, the velvet there. Um, First is the manual here. So it says the icon. So doesn't looks good so far. Doesn't look like it's something that was copied. Okay, just gonna go through this quickly. Just kind of gives you the description and what the origin of this Ray-ban, different languages there, everything. So that's good. The next thing is the cloth for the lenses thing. So we want to look here, just make sure there's no bend on that. Looks like everything is put together there. It's really good. And then the manual that comes with it. So this so far it's a good sign. And then now onto the glasses. So this particular one is I ordered matte gold with the mirror blue lenses. So that's why it's this way. So you can actually get them in different colors. Um, so let's turn it around. We can see that there's this plastic that comes with this, one of the ends of the glasses. So let's just kind of open that up. So this usually is typical. It goes with the Ray-ban. So let me just go ahead and just kind of bend it and put it back, and so far so good. It doesn't look like it feels cheap. It actually easy to retract, but it actually holds in place, as I do that. um, so that's good. um, let's take a look at from the lenses right here. We can see that there's the Ray-ban logo there. So if I bring it closer, you can kind of see it's very crisp, with the lettering. It doesn't look like it's etched incorrectly or there's some kind of miss. So that's actually a good sign. And then on the other side, there should be a little etching here with RB. You can see that there. You just did the angle, so that's a good sign. The next thing is there is actually an etched lettering below here. So we would say it's actually saying Ray-ban, and then there is Ray-ban, and then the actual size. So this is a 58 millimeter, and yeah, 012, I believe, or 14. So it's hard to see. And then when we open it up, the nose support here would show an RB, R.B, so that's probably hard to see from the camera, but yeah, this it's actually there. This is matched with the gold, and then we just happen to have the wrong lighting here, but yeah, it should be available on both sides. The next thing we'll look at is usually the sides here with the etched lettering. From this side, normally you would say, what I see is Aviator large metal, and then the actual size of this particular frame. So it's 58 millimeter. So the thing to look at is make sure the etching is good. Doesn't look like there's any kind of miss. So make sure that's not copied. As these are made in Italy, and there's a lot of knockoff, out there that they can actually hard to tell what the difference is these days. So, and then on the other side, you guys can't see it much, but just gonna go and read it. It's usually say made in Italy there, but so I would say that maybe about 85-90% authentic. I don't want to say yet about 100% just because you have to probably compare it side by side with getting it from the other stores where you pay full price. Make sure it's actually real. The other thing to watch is like this particular plastic here for the support inside the ear is actually the length of this is actually shorter, so it actually goes in here. So that's the other thing to look at, because some of them like they would stretch all the way up here, and that's not a good sign. So but yeah, so that's all I can say. I think that we hit this right, so hopefully that's useful for you in case you purchase something similar in the future. Okay, bye.